Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well and staying safe. So today I'm going to be making rissois, which are also called half moons. So we're going to need 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 300 grams of prawns cleaned and chopped, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 small onion chopped, cheese, 1 cup of milk, cream, salt, pepper. In your pan, add your butter. Let it melt on medium heat so it doesn't burn. And then add your onions. Let them soften a little. Once soft, add the prawns and garlic paste and mix it well. Since the prawns were cut, they won't take long to cook. We then add the corn flour and mix it well. Go in with your milk slowly and always mixing vigorously so that we get an even mix. You may need less or more milk, it depends. Then you add your cream. I used half of the packet. Mix thoroughly. You can use any cream, it doesn't have to be the same as mine. The cream thickened it a little, so I will add more milk to thin it out. Salt and pepper to taste. Lastly, add in your cheese. I added like a handful or 2 maybe. Mix well to make sure it's all combined. Now let's make the dough for the rissois. Here I have 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of butter and a drizzle of olive oil. Also add in your salt and mix until the butter melts. Once it starts boiling, lower the heat and add the flour, mixing vigorously until it starts to combine. Then go in with the mixer. You can do it with your hands, I just find the mixer much simpler to use. Keep mixing, it takes a bit of time but you get there. Also a good workout since the gyms are closed at the moment. Once you get a dough similar to that, go in with your hands. Also don't forget to wash them first. Be careful as the dough is still very hot. Try kneading as best as you can, mixing all the flour thoroughly. Get a clean cloth and weight it with cold water. Squeeze excess water and take a bit from the dough that you will work with and the rest you cover with the wet cloth. This helps to prevent it from going dry. Knead a little the small dough and grab your filling. I'm adding salsa to it. Cut however you like and mix it well. If it's thick, add a bit more milk. Don't make it too runny as it can be difficult to work with. Now with the dough, we need to stretch it in a long sort of sheet. Use flour if needed. Make sure it's the same thickness. Grab a bit of the filling and put it in the middle of the dough. Now, grab the other end and fold it towards this end. Try and mark with your fingers more or less until where the filling is. This should help you to cut without cutting the part with the filling. I hope you guys understand. If not, feel free to drop me a message in the comments below. Now use a cup and cut the half moons. Use your fingers and close them well. This helps the filling to not come out when we are frying. I'm putting flour so it doesn't stick while I make the others. Repeat the exact same process. I made another batch of the dough because the filling was a lot and it gave about 50 rissois. Some people may be thinking about the cream in the filling, but trust me, it's creamier this way. On a separate bowl, we will make an egg wash. Well, in my case, a flour wash with flour and water. You can use egg if you want, it's up to you. Breadcrumbs of your choice. First the flour wash, then the breadcrumbs. Make sure they are properly coated. Heat your oil. It has to be medium hot as we are just crisping it and not cooking fully. I like them a light golden color, but you can make them a bit darker if you would like. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and do give it a try. Till next time.